I got this bear for Valentine's Day, which was 2 days ago. As you can see, I have some bags. Okay. See that? Those are for it. And now this is the whole entire set. So we're going to be unboxing it. First, we're going to be doing this blue bag. And first thing is a bath kit, I guess. So this is the bath kit. It has some shampoo for the bear. It's like fake shampoo, I guess. And then this is my towel, actually, that I got for Valentine's Day. Well, I mean, I got it yesterday from my neighbors. If you want to take a quick look at it, you can pause the video. It says, Mary, Happy Valentine's Day. And then I also have a blue towel. It doesn't have anything on it. A scrubber. And we have a brush for when she is done. And then this right here is bathtub. So we should set that up. I was planning like right outside. Yeah, right there. So we are going to put this in, and we're going to put the towels aside. So we gotta fold my other towel. Also weird. Okay, let's bring it out. Then we have and then we have her brush. I don't know where we're gonna put this. Her bed isn't set up yet. Okay, so that is the bathroom. Now I guess we have the bed. I'm doing like new arrangement because like it keeps like going a little bit weird. I still have a charger in here so I can like use my iPad while I'm in the nursery, because sometimes when like she's asleep, like I have to be with her because like because she's only a baby, and sometimes she has really bad dreams and she makes a whole bunch and she goes wild, like actually so wild. So speaking of the bed, we have a comforter. It's a little star comforter. I got this one for her because she loves stars. And I'm gonna put this little blanket in. Perfect. Here it is. And the flap right there is it's like the because I couldn't find any pillows, I guess. Yeah. Now I'm just adding this little blanket. So cute. And then for her. So first, little teddy bear. Then we have a paw, I guess. Wait, these are also supposed to be for the bath because some of them are supposed to be like little bath bombs. So this is a bath bomb. This is a bath toy. Bath toy. Bath toy. Bath toy. They're all bath toys. So I'll just set them by the bath. And it's so cool. I love it. And also we have her carrier. If I have to carry her somewhere. Or like she might need it for like bringing her to the vet. Because sometimes she gets a little wonky donkey. Like as I said, she gets a little bit crazy when she has bad dreams. And that's what I mean by crazy. She gets hurt all the time. And also we have her collar. So we are going to put it on. If you're wondering her name is Lola. It even says it on her collar. Let me show you. Well, you can't really see it. I don't know. Maybe you saw it. I couldn't see it in the camera. Okay. We will strap this on. And this is a real collar from my old dog. Sneaky. And, this is fragile now. So we have her food, some kibble, and one bone. I'm planning to put it in the back of the room. I'm flying. And then this is her bowl. So we will put that down in the kitchen. Is there any more in here? Oh, a little plate for her bone. So we are going to put her food in because the nursery always has to be a little prepared for little animals that we have. So we are going to move all of these boxes and bags. Okay, find all of you. So that's the bed. No. Oh, I can't find the bed. Oh, that's the bed. And back there is the kitchen. And then this is the bath area. So, yeah. That's all we have for today, guys. Peace out.